This year, we experienced a lot of changes at Ottawa Interlock Repair. We lost Mark Stickle, our longest-serving employee. Great guy. He moved on to a different career. And then in March, we gained a new Mark in Canada, Ottawa, Mark Carney. So that was a real big shift in some of the economy and stuff. So that was a big change for us. As we were trying to prep for the season, people were kind of uncertain as to where things were going. In April, the Sens were back in the playoffs, which was a positive change in the economy and people's attitudes, a big upswing and just excitement around town. And then in May, we had our first baby. So that was very exciting, very tiring. The first time I've ever had time off in May in the last 15 years. So that was pretty crazy. June, can't even remember what happened in June. But July, one of our other longest serving team members, they found out they're expecting a baby. So we're growing as a family and as an extended Ottawa Interlock Repair family. As well, we tried being a lot more efficient this year with the economic challenges, downsizing in terms of employees, but with some new methods, we got more efficient. We did actually more jobs than we've ever done before, which is really cool. So we're on 277 jobs for the year, which is all separate projects, all separate customers. We saw almost 1,000 customers this year for estimates, consultations, which again, it's more than ever. We tried really hard to make things work, and everyone always says, in today's economy, so we lowered our prices, made our teams more efficient, produced more jobs with less guys, all while having babies and sleepless nights. And our main administrator, Kim, she actually was on maternity leave this whole year. So I had to find a replacement for her. That didn't work out. I had to find a new replacement for her. And then we'll be welcoming her back in the spring. So it's just been a year of changes. And I'm really grateful for how the year's gone, for all our customers, our suppliers, and our employees, team members. It's been overall fantastic, though exhausting. It was a big year full of changes, and we're excited to go again next year, after a hopefully short winter, but seemingly like the start of a long, cold winter. We're very excited for how this year's gone and how next year's gonna go.